Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we've got some news about Google's upcoming Pixel 10 launch, and honestly, it's a bit of a surprise. It's not what Pixel Superfans were hoping to hear. So here's what happened. Google had planned a special event for their loyal Pixel fans called the Pixel Penthouse. It was supposed to happen in late June. The big deal about this event was that a small group of fans would get an early look at the Pixel 10 before it officially launched. Naturally, people were really excited. It sounded like Google was finally giving fans a chance to see the phone early, maybe even ahead of schedule. But now, out of nowhere, Google has canceled this event. And it's not just a short delay, it's been pushed all the way to September. That's after the Pixel 10 is expected to hit stores in August. So, what's going on? Why would Google cancel a big event for their biggest fans like this? Let's break it down. First off, this Pixel Penthouse event was special because Google usually doesn't do private previews like this. It gave people hope that maybe the Pixel 10 would launch earlier than expected, possibly in June or July, before Samsung and Apple could steal the spotlight with their new devices. But based on reports, the Pixel 10 is still set for a mid to late August release. So even though this event made it seem like something might happen sooner, that wasn't actually the case. Then came the cancellation notices. Google sent out emails to invited guests, saying the event was canceled due to unforeseen circumstances. They didn't give any real details about what those circumstances were. Instead, they offered an alternative, a new event called the Pixel Superfans Insider Event, happening on September 4th. Now here's the problem. By September 4th, the Pixel 10 will probably already be officially announced and possibly even in stores. That means this new event won't be an early sneak peek anymore. It'll feel more like a post-launch meet and greet than something exclusive. In their message, Google said, "While we're no longer able to extend invitations to the Pixel Penthouse event due to unforeseen circumstances, we're excited to offer you an exclusive alternative prize, an early invitation to our next event, Pixel Superfans Insider Event, on September 4th. So far, Google hasn't explained what happened. People are guessing it could be related to scheduling problems, maybe the phones weren't ready to show yet, or there were issues with the venue or event planning. This has made some people wonder if the Pixel 10 itself might be delayed too. But for now, there's no official sign of that. Everything still points to an August launch. Even so, this last-minute cancellation has raised a few eyebrows. While it might not mean anything serious, it does make you think something behind the scenes didn't go as planned. Events like these are usually great for building hype. They're a way for companies to reward their loyal fans and create excitement before a big release. Skipping this opportunity, even if it's only temporary, might make it harder for Google to build that early buzz. Still, the new Insider event in September could still be fun. Even if it won't offer a first look, fans can meet the Pixel team, ask questions, and try out the devices. Looking at the bigger picture, the Pixel 10 is one of the most anticipated Android phones of the year. With Apple and Samsung making big moves in AI and camera upgrades, Google needs to keep up. And a smooth, on-time launch for the Pixel 10 is going to be really important. Right now, Google hasn't revealed many details about the Pixel 10, but we're expecting some cool AI features powered by their Gemini model, improvements to the Tensor chip, and better camera hardware. That's why people were so eager for the early event. Sure, the cancellation is a bit of a letdown, but it doesn't mean there's anything seriously wrong. Plans change sometimes, and companies adjust their schedules. The important thing is to see if this small change leads to any other delays. That's it for today's update. What do you think? Is Google hiding something, or is this just a harmless reschedule? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech news. Catch you in the next one!